Hello friends, God bless you and welcome on today's video. We are back in the kitchen doing a kitchen decluttering and cleaning with me. Friends, this is week number 7 and this week I am cleaning the kitchen island. And guys, we're decluttering our space one space at a time. I'm going to be honest with you, I don't really have a system for my kitchen island, but I am going to go through some things because it is out of order and just declutter some things that I don't need and try to organize it. I don't have a fancy system for this one, or I don't have a fancy shelf, but I just hope that this motivates someone, to get up under these cabinets or this kitchen island. I haven't decluttered under here in a while, so this is definitely needed. Friends, it's not too bad under here, but I'm still going to clean this with my older band, and it's very easy. So just trying to clean it out, so as you pull things out, this is the best time to start cleaning. I hope that everyone is having a blessed and prosperous day. Friends, as I said before, I don't have a great organization system here, and I really do need one because that's why things keep getting decluttered. But I just have to search around and see what fits my budget, because you just really don't want to go out there and spend too much money, guys. A lot of the organization systems is great, but it really costs. So just use wisdom about that. So you just got to kind of declutter and just feel your way afterwards. But here I'm just playing around with it just a little bit. So in this collab, this is a weekly collab, friends, and next week we'll be working on the kitchen drawers. That's right, next week will be the kitchen drawers. So guys, I want to thank my co-host that co-hosts with me, Buckeye Brief Girls and Things, and also Miss Anna from the Grace DIY channel. I want to thank him so much for co-hosting with me. I want to take time to thank Miss Sandra from the Sister Cousin channel for jumping in from time to time in this collab. I truly appreciate it. And also Miss Mary's Life Journey for stepping in from time to time. Friends, please go back and check out their channels. Their channels will be in my description box. So friends, as you see in this cabinet under my island, I keep mostly baking goods, so that's why I said I'm still kind of plundering on how to organize this stuff, but I'm just getting stuff out and decluttering. Now this is my knife sharpener. I don't use it too much, but during Thanksgiving, if we cook a ham or something or a turkey, so I'm gonna put that up in the high cabinet over the refrigerator. I don't need that down here. So some things here I'm going to declutter and take out. I have 2 of these pin rolls. I have to decide which one I'm going to keep on that. I have these cake stands, and I'm gonna have to find a spot for these, but right now I'm just gonna put it back. Now this is something I got from my mom. I never used it. It is a Christmas cake pan, but honestly guys, I never use it, so I'm just probably going to go ahead and declutter some things. So I hope that you guys are having a great journey with this. Friends, this side of the kitchen island cabinet is just my overflow from my pantry, so I was using for the overflow. So guys, I'm telling you, I hope I can get some inspiration from you guys. I went to Pinterest and I was watching some things, but like I said, everybody home is not the same, so you cannot do certain things. But as we go with this, guys, I'm telling you, it's going to get better. Now here's the kitchen island drawers, and I decided to add these with it because next week is the kitchen drawers, and I don't like the videos to be too long. And so I'm just going through certain things, and these are my little doggy cookie cutters or snack cutters, and I'm gonna give those to my daughter-in-law for her doll because I don't use it no more. And so it's good to get in this drawer because there's a lot of things in this junk drawer, I guess you can say a junk drawer, that I really don't need or I can declutter. So friends, thank you so much if you're new today, and I appreciate everyone watching this video. Hope y'all having a blessed week and a blessed day. I'm going to get rid of this knife because it's not even a good knife, and I had some old silverware, and I finally found my meat thermometer. I wonder where it was at, so I'm so glad I found that. Didn't know that was there. So a lot of things in here, guys, I'm just going to get rid of, and some things put it where they need to be at because some things was here that should not have been here, and just move some matches out this drawer, and so that it can look a whole lot better. Friends, in this open collaboration, if you don't have what is listed that we're in the kitchen island, guys, you're welcome to clean anything in the kitchen. Give us a kitchen hack or just clean your kitchen video. You're so welcome. Just as long as you do something in the kitchen. So I try to make it easy for everyone because I know our kitchens are not designed alike. So I hope that helped everyone. This is an open collab. Thank you everyone who has participated. God bless you.
Wanted to get it right, trying to find some balance in my life. I never really put up a fight, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Listen to me as I.
So unfortunately, guys, it is a lot of stuff came out of this drawer, but at the end of this, it was well worth me going through it. I wanted to speed up just some parts of it because I don't want to make this video too long. But guys, let me tell you, as I go back through this, I put what is necessary and what is needed. So I just hope that you got some kind of motivation to get through those drawers, get through that kitchen island today, clean that kitchen, do one space at a time, getting rid of the clutter in your home, those hidden things that we cannot see, guys. We're cleaning our kitchen. This is a 16-week collab. Guys, on this week on the 25th, remember, it's the tier tray for the St. Patty's Day with me and GG Creation. I would love for you to join at 6 p.m. Just add anything green in your video. I love you. Thank you so much for joining, and I hope you guys got some inspiration. I'll see you next week where we clean the kitchen drawers. God bless y'all and have a blessed day. Bye-bye.